Hey guys, it's Kelly, and I thought I'd show you a quick addition to my scrapbook room. I blame this completely on Victoria Marie because she showed on her Facebook group like last weekend, I think, this Michaels cart that she bought. She's using it for a to be read or TBR cart for her books, but I have been thinking about getting one of these but haven't been totally sold. And then I saw this gorgeous blue color and I was sold because I'm in a scrapbook room right now, but it won't be forever. I'm probably going to be moving in about a year or so. So my old scrap room was denim with white accents, and I had like the little daisy trim that we all had on our dresses when we were little girls. I had window treatments with that. So this cart would go perfect. And then I hope I don't make you too dizzy, but there's my Cricut Explorer. Yeah, I can't. Anyway, and it's that denim color, so I'm going to try to get you back. There's my Calyx units. Look at all those beautiful scrapbook albums. I just gave a bunch of them to my stepson and his wife. So anyway, back to my cart. I just want to show you what I have in it. Now, I had these little white plastic things from Walmart, and they were holding some things on my desk. So I've changed that just a little bit, and maybe I'll walk you over there in just a second. But what I did is I went to Walmart today and I bought 2 more packs of them. So now I have, let me think, I have 9 of them now. So they come in packs of 3. So what I did is I put stuff in here that I don't have to get to all the time, but that I still want accessible. So here's my jars of flowers. These are too big to be kept in the place where I keep most of my flowers. These are older journaling books. So these are from my mind's eye. I have some from Little Yellow Bicycle. I just used one of these the other day. And then these are from Making Memories. So I'm not ready to let those go yet, but I don't use them all that much. And where they weren't handy. This is my basket of date stamps or phrase stamps in the case of some of these. So I want to keep those handy. This is my, these are my toppings from Queen & Company for cards and things like that. So that's what all of these are. And then there's a little bit of trim in here. I went to the Queen & Company Queen for a Day event last year, so that's why there's that there. So that's the first shelf, the stuff that's accessible. I'll pull back again so you can kind of see what's on there. Then underneath here are a couple of things. I'm going to pull back. And these are my stickles. They're stored in these little carrier things that they can be upside down, which I'm so excited about that finally I got to pull these out. I don't use them all that often because they were tucked away in a drawer and not easily accessible. These are just some 3x4 cards. They're from some of the Heidi Swapp kits, Project Life kits, and those can be inked. These are my Sharpie markers, so I just have them sitting in there. And then these are my Zig pens. So those are sitting in there in their case. So I can just pull these out now really easily. And they're not sitting. They used to sit, I'm going to swing you around. I used to sit them like on top of these boxes here, which was a pain because I had to, if I needed to get in the box, because there are things stored in there that I need to get to, I would have to take the markers off, and that was just a pain. So anyway, so back, so that's the, whoops, there we go. That's the second shelf. The third shelf is my sprays and my glues and then my Nuvo drops. So I have all my sprays here. Here's most of my Mr. Huey's. I've got my Heidi Swapp, like my gold and all that. Oops, back here. Here are these are my swatch books. So I spray them and then write down what they are so I know what I have them. Now I haven't used sprays in ages, honestly, but I'm not quite ready to get used to them. Or get rid of them. Then here are my Nuvo drops, and honestly, I don't use these a ton either, but I want them accessible. They used to sit right on my desk, and I never use them either, so I thought they were taking up valuable real estate. So then here are some of my stamp cleaners. This is Glossy Accents. This is Diamond Glaze. And then this is my overflow. This one needs to be emptied. I think this is actually empty. My Scotch tacky glue here. And then that's old because this is really now Scotch Quick Dry. This is my misting bottle too if I need that for anything. And then this is just some Cricut parts and trimmer parts and that kind of stuff. And I have to remember to put that those blade housings with my Cricut. So I will be selling my original one. So guys, that is the update on kind of what is going on in my scrap room. And actually, I'll quick swing you over. My desk is, well, you're going to laugh when I tell you I think it's a little messy because compared to a lot of desks, it's not. I just got done making something, but let me swing you over. So this is where a lot of that stuff used to be stored, was in this piece here, which is a basket I got at Target years ago. What I've done now is the stuff that was sitting on this and back in here, and it was a pain in the neck for me to get to because this is my filming arm here. There's my filming arm. It was behind all this, so I used to have to grab around it. It was a pain. Now that's all sitting in the basket here. So here's where my Elle Studio cards sit. You see me use those a lot. This is a lot of my Elle Studio like wood veneer and acrylics. And then here's a bunch of Bella Boulevard bows and other bows and that kind of stuff. So this is really easy to get to, just like this one. So this is the one that sits, I talked about it all the time, that sits to my left. This other one sits to my right. So anyway, so that's a little tiny update of what's going on in my scrapbook room. Hope you guys are well, and I'll be back with another video soon. Bye.